G'day folks. Now, although I've seen a similar sort of thing on wildlife shows, and usually the best ones, narrated by Sir Dave, this is the first time actually I have seen this for myself. Just under that cockatoo there is another one, and she, I would say she, may perhaps have some babies in that hollow. These large parrots always nest in hollows, which have to be a fair size. I'm sorry it's shaky because the reason is that these guys are very, very high in this big river gum. But it's amazing what you see if you keep your eyes peeled. There's the hollow. She's just gone in there. She's either looking after nestlings or she's preparing a nest. Although it is pretty late in the year for these guys, late or early, to be breeding. It's we're in the middle of autumn. But that's a cockatoo's nest. In particular, a Sulphur Crested Cockatoos nest. And there's a pair of cockatoos either, like I said, preparing it or looking after young ones. I would say probably looking after young ones. But that's a long way off the ground. If I pull back, you'll see what I mean. It's in that tree there. But that's a beautiful nesting site they've got. It's way, way up there in that tree, in that big tree. It's a beautiful hollow facing the river. Nice big entrance to it. Wish she'd pop out again. But that's where a pair of Sulphur Crested Cockatoos are making their home this particular lovely morning, and I'm pretty sure they mate for life too, so if they're setting up, they're going to be set up well. Let's just see if she comes out again. I'd say it's hard to determine whether they're preparing a nest or it's already occupied. I'm guessing maybe she's preparing it because spending a lot of time in there. Anyway, Sulphur Crested Cockatoo's nest. See you later.